So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I gonna show you how to remove makeup another way. So I already uploaded two videos on that. So please check on my description bar below and my icons also. So now let's start it into the another method. Okay. Ta-da! So this is the makeup remover I used today. So let's get start into the video. Okay, now take one cotton pad. One cotton pad. And take this Himalaya baby massage oil. So today I'm gonna show you how to remove makeup with this product. This is Himalaya body massage oil. So this is also for removing makeup. Okay. Now take a cotton pad and take 2 or 3 drops of this oil. Okay, I'm using 4-5 drops because my makeup is very heavy. So now remove your makeup. Okay, this is very cleaning purpose. Now I'm cleaning my eyes. Okay, this is very good product. This is also improves your skin tone. This is includes olive oil, winter cherry. Okay, this is also clinically tested, pure, gentle and safe. Okay, this gives nourishing on your skin. It gives glowness, soft and smooth. So my makeup removing. So this is my makeup removing video, guys. So this is today video, guys, how to remove makeup. So see my skin very glowy and soft and smooth, clean, clear. Okay, if you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Keep smiling and keep rocking.